Welcome to another Lane Vision tutorial. Here we're just going to be looking at the basic component of this gallery screen that you see here, which is the video card itself. So for each video you import or record in the app, they're going to have their own videos, their own video cards here that you can see with their own data and their own metadata or information about each swim. So if we look at the very top one, you've got a name, the length of the swim, the stroke, the location and date, and the time for the swim. That's all on the left. On the very right, we've got just a small section, which you'll see in a minute, of the metrics that we can gather using Lane Vision. So these are just the defaults. We've included the ability to add some customization there, which you'll see shortly. So like you'll see in the player view in another video, we spend a lot of time trying to represent the information in a context-sensitive way that makes people who are engaged in the sport comfortable. So we've gone with this lane view like this on the very right. So for each vertical length of the pool, that is a separate lap. So we've got a 200 there, 200 backstroke at the top. You can see that there are 8 laps there. So by default, on the right side in that lane view, we're showing you the splits, stroke count, tempo, distance per cycle, and breakout distance. If you're not comfortable with some of those aren't something you're entirely interested at the moment, on the top right, if you click on that, you'll see all of the metrics that we can collect here. And then you have the ability to unselect, let's say, breakout distance, and say you're more interested in their breakout split, how much time they spent underwater. You can just go ahead and update that. And then you'll see that for all the video cards, it then makes that update. If you're going crazy and you change everything and you just want to go back to the defaults because you find them useful, you can go ahead and just hit reset. It'll reset it, and then you update one more time and you find yourself here. One thing that you'll notice is this is broken down by lap. So for me personally, I usually look at 50s. So for somebody that likes to look at 50s or wants to look at maybe the front half of, let's talk about this 200 backstroke here, we've included a button on the very far top right part of that video card, kind of the 2 arrows pointed away from each other, where if you click that, it'll change the splits from 25 to 50. So there you can see split 50s in parentheses, and then you can see those 25 splits added into 50s, and then one more time you can switch it to hundreds. So those are the basic features of these video cards, the main component of the gallery.